50 sentences using the phrase apart from.
Apart from her, no one else knew the secret.
He was the only one apart from me who attended the meeting.
Apart from the rain, it's been a perfect day.
Apart from the main course, we also ordered appetizers.
Apart from studying, he enjoys playing the piano.
The garden was pristine, apart from a single weed.
Apart from the noisy traffic, the neighborhood is peaceful.
Apart from a few minor errors, the report was well written.
She has no hobbies apart from reading.
Apart from the blue sky, there's not a cloud in sight.
Apart from his daily workout, he also does yoga.
The room was empty apart from a lone chair.
Apart from the essentials, I packed some snacks for the trip.
She's a vegetarian, apart from occasionally eating fish.
Apart from the sore throat, she felt perfectly fine.
The painting is beautiful, apart from a small smudge.
Apart from the first chapter, the book was uninteresting.
He's a great student, apart from being a little shy.
Apart from the rain, the picnic was a success.
The forest was peaceful, apart from the chirping of birds.
Apart from his glasses, he rarely wears accessories.
The dress is perfect, apart from being a bit too long.
Apart from math, he excels in all his subjects.
The recipe is delicious, apart from being a bit spicy.
Apart from his serious side, he has a great sense of humor.
She's friendly, apart from her occasional moodiness.
The town is beautiful, apart from the old, abandoned building.
Apart from his work, he enjoys a quiet home life.
The party was fun, apart from the noisy neighbors.
Apart from the modern decor, the restaurant has a vintage vibe.
He's a great cook, apart from being a messy one.
Apart from the high price, the quality is outstanding.
The car is reliable apart from the occasional hiccup.
Apart from their differences, they make a great team.
She's talented, apart from her occasional self-doubt.
The movie was entertaining, apart from a few slow moments.
Apart from his age, he's in excellent shape.
The garden is lovely, apart from the overgrown bushes.
Apart from the rough start, the day turned out well.
The dog is well behaved, apart from barking at strangers.
Apart from her busy schedule, she finds time for her hobbies.
The party was enjoyable, apart from the late start.
Apart from his fashion sense, he's quite practical.
The dessert was delightful, apart from being too sweet.
Apart from his shyness, he's a great conversationalist.
The beach is pristine, apart from the litter left by tourists.
Apart from her reserved nature, she's a great listener.
The meal was satisfying, apart from the portion size.
Apart from their distance, they remain close friends.
He's a good driver, apart from his impatience.
If you want more, subscribe. See my other movies.